In today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicates in Google Sheets, step by step, so you can instantly spot repeated entries in any dataset. Whether you're cleaning up a contact list, reconciling inventory, or just trying to make sense of a messy spreadsheet, finding duplicates quickly saves you hours of manual scanning. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First things first, you need to tell Google Sheets exactly which cells to examine. This is your data range, and selecting it correctly is the foundation of everything that follows. If you're checking an entire column for duplicates, the easiest method is to click the column letter at the very top. For example, click the A to select all of column A. That single click highlights every cell in that column from top to bottom, which is perfect when your data could grow or shrink over time. If you only need to check a specific block of cells, click and drag to highlight just that rectangle. Suppose your list runs from A1 down to A50, but you know there's nothing below that. Drag from A1 to A50 to keep your formatting clean and avoid processing empty cells. A common mistake here is accidentally including blank rows at the bottom, which can confuse the formula later, so be deliberate about your selection. Once your range is highlighted, you're ready to move to the next step. Now, with your data selected, go up to the top menu and click on Format. Then from the drop-down, choose Conditional Formatting. This opens a sidebar on the right side of your screen, and this is where the magic happens. Conditional formatting is essentially a rule that tells Google Sheets, if a cell meets this condition, change its appearance. We're going to write a custom condition that flags duplicates. Inside the sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Format Rules. Underneath that, there's a drop-down menu that currently says Format Cells If. Go ahead and click it. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom of that list, and you'll find Custom Formula Is. Select that. This option lets you enter any formula you like, which gives you far more power than the preset rules like is equal to or text contains. With custom formula is selected, a text box appears right below. This is where you type your magic formula. For a standard column of data starting in cell A1, enter this exactly, count if, open parenthesis, A, comma, A1, close parenthesis, greater than 1. So it should look like count if A1, 1. Let me explain what this does in plain English. Count if is a function that counts how many times a certain value appears in a given range. Here we're telling it to look at the entire column A, that's the AA part, and count how many times the value in the current cell A1 shows up in that column. If that count is greater than 1, the condition is true and the cell gets highlighted. The beauty of this formula is that it automatically adjusts as you apply it to each cell in your selected range, so every duplicate gets flagged. If your data actually starts in row 2 because you have a header row, simply change A1 to A2 in the formula, count if AAA, A2, 1. The cell reference always points to the first cell in your data, not necessarily the very first cell in the sheet. Once you've typed the correct formula, double check for typos. Even a missing equal sign will break it. Now that the formula is set, let's make those duplicates visually pop. Right below the formula box in the same sidebar, you'll see a fill color icon that looks like a paint bucket. Click it and a color palette opens up. Choose a color that contrasts well with your data. A soft yellow or light red works beautifully because it catches the eye without making text hard to read. You can also click the text color or bold button to further customize the look if you want something more dramatic. This is your chance to make duplicates unmistakable at a glance, so pick something that makes sense for your workflow. Once you're happy with the color, look to the bottom of the sidebar and click the big blue Done button. Almost instantly, every duplicate value in your selected range will be highlighted with the color you chose. Watch how cells that have identical content suddenly share the same colored background. It's like a map of repeated entries across your data. If you have 3 rows all saying john@email.com, all 3 will be colored because the count for each is 3, which is greater than 1. If a value appears only once, the count is exactly 1, and no formatting is applied. This gives you a perfect real-time visual of where duplicates live. And here's a pro tip. If your data contains blanks, those blank cells will also be highlighted if they appear more than once, because the formula counts them too. To avoid that, you can add an extra condition, but for most beginners, simply knowing that blanks get caught is enough to either fill them in or remove them first. You've now successfully highlighted duplicates in Google Sheets using conditional formatting and a custom count if formula. This technique turns a tedious manual scan into an instant, foolproof visual check, saving you time and preventing errors in reports, mailing lists, or any dataset where uniqueness matters. As a next step, try playing with the formula a little. Change the range to include multiple columns, like AB, to find duplicates across combined data. Or use this same logic to highlight unique values instead by swapping the greater than 1 to equals 1. If you need to remove the duplicates once they're highlighted, you can use the Data menu and select Remove Duplicates for a clean sweep. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this tutorial. If it helped you, consider saving this video so you can come back to these steps whenever you're cleaning up a spreadsheet. I'll see you in the next one.